Well, good morning, Jaginder Rana here. The topic for our discussion today is insurance of mobile or laptop. Insurance of mobile or laptop. When a Mumbai-based Gautam purchased a new mobile phone in April, he also purchased insurance with it. The insurance was from New India Assurance Company, the largest general insurance company. The cost of the phone was only repeat 12,000 and the premium for the insurance was 1,500 for a year. As the insurance was sold by the store from where he purchased the phone, documentation was easy. Besides, it was not very expensive. As he lost the previous phone, he thought it was a good idea to purchase insurance. Unfortunately, Gautam lost his second phone within the 3 to 4 months. It was stolen while he was traveling in the bus. So when he went to the store to claim insurance, he was told that along with the claim documents, he would have to submit a copy of the police complaint. But filing a police complaint proved very difficult. So the police refused to file a complaint saying the mobile was stolen. They asked how you could prove that it was stolen. Instead, they just gave a letter saying the phone was misplaced. But this was not accepted by the insurance company. After that, he did not pursue the matter. In another incident, a customer purchased a mobile worth ₹14,000, which also included the insurance cost of 1,500 from National India Insurance Company and other public sector general insurance company. Here too, the insurance was bundled with the phone. When the screen developed a crack, he tried to claim accidental damages. But he was told to first get the phone repaired at an authorized dealer and submit the bill to claim reimbursement, and he would get only 50% of the value, because depreciation would get deducted. So repairs at an authorized dealer would cost about 7,000, while another store was willing to do it for around 3,000. So he is wondering if it makes sense to claim insurance. As the penetration of electronic gadgets like mobile phones, tablets, laptop increases, insurance for such product is also catching on. In some cases, the store may insist that the gadget cannot be purchased without the insurance, while some offer it is an option. So gadget insurance is always bundled with the product and not sold separately. Also, they are available only for the new products and not second-hand ones. For this, insurance companies have tied up with their retail stores. So between the time of purchase and the customer coming to them for purchasing insurance, there could be some damage to the gadget. Since it is a small ticket item, there is no point in getting it inspected. So they insist on the insurance being purchased with the gadget. The premium depends on the coverage offered, damage, theft or both. It's calculated as a percentage of the gadgets. So currently the policies are sold only with the gadgets sold at physical stores, though they are receiving inquiries from the gadgets sold online. Going ahead, they may tie up with online retailers as well. Let's see the coverage. You can claim insurance if your gadget suffers accidental damage and such damage causes the gadget to stop working. Fails to work because accidentally fluid has entered the internal circuit, resulting into the stoppage of the insured equipment. Gadget is stolen in burglary, including theft and housebreaking. It's stolen from a locked building room vehicle. It's damaged due to fire, lightning and explosion. It's damaged by act of God's peril. Or it suffers damages of theft during the riot strike and malicious damage. So short formats, Digital Works, a company that provides digital and mobile services, has also tied up with the New India Assurance to offer insurance for mobile handset and tablet through its own distribution network called Biscoot. So the package includes antivirus, backups and insurance for theft and damage. The company has a network of outlets where customers can get their gadgets repaired and the money is remitted to the customers within 48 hours. Niyati Shah, Short Formats Digital, Chief Executive Officer of Short Format Digital says, we have seen that it is the service that matters more than the insurance claim itself. If the gadget is repaired immediately, the customer is satisfied even if the claim payment is delayed. So the coverage is for what is not covered by the warranty for the product. For instance, if your mobile gets damaged because your child spills milk on it, then the warranty will not cover it. In such a case, you can get it repaired and claim insurance. ICICI Lombard does not offer these policies on an individual basis. It offers them only as group deals for corporates and has some small tie-ups with some manufacturers and dealers. Since these are low-ticket premium policies, many companies don't see merit in pushing them aggressively. So many insurance companies offer gadget insurance as part of their householder policy. Here, while the coverage is the same, the advantage for companies is that they get higher premiums. As far as exclusions are concerned, thing to note that are the exclusions. For instance, according to the policy details on New India's website, exclusions are mysterious disappearance, theft from unattended vehicle, except from fully enclosed car that is securely locked, theft, loss or damage during the hire or loan to a third party, mechanical and electronic breakdown or derangements, overloading and experimentation involving imposition of any abnormal conditions, damage by wear and tear, vermin, atmosphere or climatic conditions, or gradual deterioration, inherent defects or from any process of cleaning, repairing or maintenance, loss or damage due to war or nuclear pellets, loss by water or from any waterborne craft, intentional or willful act of the insured party. So for companies, the genuineness of the claim is an issue. With mobiles becoming outdated very fast, there is a tendency among people to claim damage or theft. It becomes difficult for companies to decide which claim to pay and which to reject. That is why companies insist that in case of damage, the repair has to be done at an authorized service center, and in case of theft, a police complaint has to be filed within 48 hours. So they have a doubt about the claim. They have team to check, but so far as they have not received too many fraud claims. As far as depreciation is concerned, the biggest surprise for customer at the time of claiming is the fact that they will get only depreciated value of the product. The depreciation values are usually for 0 to 3 months is 20%, 3 to 6 months 30%, 6 to 12 months 50%. So in some cases the depreciation can be as high as 75%. Many insurance companies offer gadget insurance as part of their householder policy. While the coverage is the same, the advantage for companies is that they get higher premiums. So for companies, the genuineness of the claim is an issue. With mobiles becoming outdated very fast, there is a tendency among people to claim damage or theft. It becomes difficult to companies to decide which claim to pay or which to reject. That is why companies insist that in case of damage, the repair has to be done at an authorized service center. And in case of theft, a police complaint has to be filed within 48 hours. So this is the position of the insurance policy. Thank you.